What's up, everyone? How are you doing? I hope you're doing excellent. And I'm just stopping off at one of the many dispersed campsites within the Chequamegon-Nicolet National Forest region in northeast Wisconsin. Now, this part of the National Forest is split between the north region of Laona and the south region of Lakewood. This is the second video. We already did the first video of the Lakewood southern region. If you haven't seen that, go back and check out all those dispersed sites in that region. In this video, we're gonna focus on the Laona region, the northern region. I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna let you know how much they cost, if they're $5 a night or if they're free. I'm gonna show you each of the sites. I'm going to go into if they have a picnic table, a campfire ring, if they have a toilet of some kind. And then I'm gonna tell you if you do have to pay, where you can go and you can pay for them. I'm also gonna go even further into if they have cell phone service, because some people really wanna know that. So if you are into recreation such as hunting, fishing, kayaking, canoeing, or you're just traveling, off-roading, or just want a site that's free away from all the other people in organized campgrounds, this might be right up your alley. So in this video, we're gonna check out all of the dispersed campsites in the northern region, in the Laona region of the Chequamegon-Nicolet National Forest. Let's go do it. All right, before I get too far and we start checking out all these sites, I wanna reiterate something from the first video. Payment. Do you have to pay or don't you have to pay? Now, it's very simple. All you have to do is pull up to the site, and as you can see, there's nothing on this placard board. But a lot of the other sites, as you saw in the first video, and you'll see some in this video, they had a fee payment on a board just like that. Now, that fee payment board, it says fee area. It will tell you exactly how much you have to pay, where you can pay for that, and then it'll give you some other rules on that board. So if you do not see that and it is empty or there is no board at all, it's completely free. You don't have to pay for anything. Just pull up and go ahead and disperse camp. I just wanted to cover that before we head out. Let's go see the dispersed campsites. Rangeline Lake. Rangeline Lake is just outside of Wabeno, Wisconsin. It can be accessed by following Smith Street from Highway 32 to the boat landing. The campsite is underdeveloped without a fire pit ring, bathroom, or picnic table. This location is specifically an overlanding location with lake access, free to camp, and medium cell phone service. Himley Lake. Himley Lake can be accessed by taking County Road W west from Wabeno to Forest Service Road 2880 to Forest Service Road 2860. One campsite is located along Road 2860. Two others are located along the south end of the lake with picnic tables and fire pit rings. Camping is available on the northern islands September 1st to March 1st. Camping's $5 a night and payable at nearby Richardson Lake Campground. Cell phone service is minimal. Ludington Lake. Ludington Lake can be accessed by taking County Road W west from Wabeno to Roberts Lake Road to Forest Service Road 3267. This dispersed area is one of the more developed and provides 3 sites on the north end of the lake, each with a fire pit, picnic tables, and a bathroom. The cost is $5 per night, payable at the site. Cell phone service is minimal to medium. Deer Lake. Deer Lake can be accessed by taking County Road C east from Wabeno to Forest Service Road 3847. There is one site before the boat launch, offering a picnic table and fire pit ring, as well as an additional site at the end of the road near the boat launch. It's free to camp here, and cell phone service is minimal. Cloud Lake. Cloud Lake is accessible by taking County Road C east from Wabeno to Forest Service Road 2361 to Cloud Lake Road. The road is somewhat rough and does require some off-road capabilities. There are 2 sites next to the north end of the lake with picnic tables and fire pit rings. It's free to camp here, and there is minimal cell phone signal. Rat River. Rat River can be accessed by taking County Road C east from Wabeno to Forest Service Road 2361. The site is along the bridge on the Rat River and has a picnic table, fire pit ring, and an outhouse toilet. Cell phone signal is minimal. Burton Wells Bridge. The Burton Wells Bridge site can be accessed by taking County Road H east from Laona to Goodman Park Road east. There is one campsite along the southwest side of the bridge on the Peshtigo River. There is a picnic table, fire pit ring, and an outhouse. Cell phone service is minimal. Armstrong Creek Dispersed. Armstrong Creek Dispersed site can be accessed by taking Forest Service Road 2132 south from US Highway 8 near Cavour. There is one site along the northwest side of the creek with a picnic table and fire pit ring. Camping is free and cell phone signal is minimal. Burnt Bridge. Burnt Bridge can be accessed by taking County Road H east from Laona to Goodman Park Road east to Forest Service Road 2134 north. There are two sites along each side of the bridge on the Peshtigo River. There is a picnic table, fire pit ring, and no bathroom. Camping is free and there's no cell phone service. All right, so I just left another one of the sites, dispersed sites, and when I got there were some people camping, and it was one of the less known, it's not on the map, the US Forest Service map, it's one of the less known places. So they said, hey, could you maybe skip over this one? This is kind of, not a well-known one. And I said, absolutely. I respect that. And I can skip over, one or two of these sites. That's fine. And that's what I like to do. I like to show that respect. I am not specifically from this exact location. I am from this region, but when I am in this area, if I end up crossing paths with these people again, or, they recognize my vehicle, then I've already built that relationship. And if I need help with anything or I need them to show me something, I can always count on that because I showed them the respect. And that's what I try to do everywhere I go somewhere. I try to just show the people that respect, and usually in turn, they show it back. So yeah, I'm skipping over one or two of these sites. Camp 3. Camp 3 Lake can be accessed by taking Forest Service Road 2132 south from US Highway 8 near Cavour. There are two campsites located near the boat launch with fire pit rings, picnic tables, no bathrooms, and medium cell phone service. It is free to camp here. Logger Lake. Logger Lake can be accessed by taking Forest Service Road 2159 north from US Highway 8 near Bonneville. This is an undeveloped site with no picnic table, fire pit ring, or bathroom. There is a boardwalk at the end of the road allowing lake access. It is free to camp and cell phone service is minimal. Big Joe. Big Joe can be accessed by taking Colada Road from Highway 139 near US Highway 8. The sites can be found by parking at the end of the road and taking the steps down to the two sites near the Peshtigo River. Each site has a picnic table and a fire pit ring. It is free to camp here, and the cell phone service is minimal. What a blast. I had a great time once again exploring all of these dispersed sites in the Chequamegon-Nicolet National Forest, and hopefully you enjoyed watching as well. Now, this was the Laona, the northern region, and video number 1 was the Lakewood region in the southern part of the National Forest. If you haven't seen that, go back, check out that video as well. There's a whole bunch of dispersed sites in there as well. Now, the US Forest Service does come around here periodically, but for the most part, these are just rustic sites. So they're not gonna be out here all the time. It's up to you to be responsible. Make sure you do not destroy picnic tables or any of the other stuff around here, and you pick up all your garbage so that the next person that comes along can enjoy these sites as well. I did not get to one of the sites. I missed one of them due to it getting very windy. I was gonna take my kayak to one of the islands. There's a dispersed site out on some of the islands on this lake. And I just decided for safety reasons, I wasn't gonna go out there. So I did miss one of the dispersed sites. If you want, I'll put it on the map. You can go check that out yourself. Otherwise, if you have any comments about the sites out here, if I missed anything, and you have a place that you think was really cool and people should check out, comment and let everybody know, or just comment in general and just say, what you thought about the video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos similar to this, because we have a lot more adventures coming up, and I'll see you on the next adventure.